Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Author, Robert Kiyosaki. Hello friends. Today we are going to speak about the key takeaways from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 1. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. 2. The rich keep building assets. 3. Wealth is the number of days you can survive without physically working. 4. Mastery in accounting, investing, markets, and law creates financial intelligence. 5. The greatest reason for the lack of financial success is that most people play too safe. Go ahead. Subscribe now. Log into your librarywala.com account and order your next quick read.